Hey folks, I'm Dennis. Today I'm going to show you how to season a carbon steel wok. Thanks for watching my video. Let's get started. You're going to need your steel wok. You're going to need some coconut oil. You can use peanut oil or canola oil, probably corn oil. They say not to use olive oil for this. I'm not sure why, to tell you the truth. You're going to need a flame burner, like a gas burner. This is very difficult to do on electric. I don't even know if you can get the wok hot enough on an electric stove. So you need some kind of a burner. If you have like a side burner on your gas grill, that's what I'm going to use. That works real well. Or like a camp stove with a gas flame, that works fine. And you're going to need a scouring pad of some sort, like a Scotch-Brite pad or steel wool. And you're going to need some water. Step one, you want to scour the wok. So I'm going to take a Scotch-Brite pad. Doesn't matter if your wok has been used before or not. This one's been cooked with before. So scour it and rinse it. Step two, fill your wok up with about an inch to an inch and a half of water and put your burner on high. Like I said, it needs to be a gas flame. Boil that water until it's gone. Step three, now once your water's all gone, you're going to keep heating the wok over the high flame, and you're going to heat it until it starts to turn kind of bluish. And the amount of time it takes just depends on how hot your flame is. Like you can see right in here where the wok has started to turn blue from the heat coming up on the backside. The color's hard to describe. It's kind of bluish. Some places will have like a yellow color and some kind of a reddish brown, but that's what you're looking for, is the way that bottom's starting to turn. So you want to be careful. Like for example on this one, I've got wooden handles, so you don't want to catch your wooden handles on fire. But the idea is to get as much of it hot like this as you can. And I'm just going to continue to work my way around the wok until I get all of it to you know, turn this bluish purpley kind of color. Okay, now step four, I'm going to turn off my burner, and you can either move away from the burner, or if you know, if you've got a cover or something like that. I'm just going to cover mine because you don't want to get oil on the flame, you know. So I'm going to take my coconut oil. Coconut oil is good because it's got a higher melting point, so they say it's good for this. Doesn't really take a lot. And then take a pair of tongs and a paper towel. Tongs so you don't burn your hand. And then just take the oil, spread that all around, a nice even coat on the surface. And be careful, like not to splash it on yourself, because coming out of this hot wok is going to be very hot. Rub the whole surface down real good. Pour off the excess, wipe it out after it's cooled, and then your wok is seasoned. So when you're done, that's, you can see that. I'm not sure if I got enough light on it. That's about how it should look. If you start with a new one, it'll actually look a little better. But anyway, that's how you do it, and that should make it non-stick. Now, I haven't actually tried this. I'm going to try it this time. I have read that if you wash a seasoned carbon steel wok with soap or detergent, that it'll remove the seasoning. So they tell you to just wash it with wash them with hot water only. I'm not sure how I feel about that, but we may try that and see what happens. Thanks for watching my video. Appreciate it. Check out some of the other videos on my channel. I hope you find something that you like, and I hope to see you back soon. If you would, give me a thumbs up on this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you back soon. God bless you.